Schoology Learning Management System Review Usage Experience. Welcome to my Schoology Learning Management System Review. Links to the product are included in the description for those who want to explore further. Schoology LMS is a versatile and user-friendly platform tailored for K-12 and higher education institutions. It's designed to enhance the teaching and learning experience through innovative tools, seamless collaboration, and comprehensive content management. Whether you're a teacher, student, or administrator, Schoology provides a streamlined solution to meet your educational needs. One of Schoology's standout features is its intuitive interface, which mirrors the look and feel of popular social media platforms, making it especially appealing to students and educators. The system enables teachers to create, distribute, and manage engaging course content with ease. It supports multimedia integration, allowing for videos, images, and interactive elements to be embedded directly into lessons. Additionally, it supports multiple content standards like SCORM and Common Core, ensuring flexibility and compliance. Collaboration is at the heart of Schoology. The platform offers discussion boards, group assignments, and real-time messaging, fostering a sense of community among learners. Teachers can track engagement, provide instant feedback, and even grade assignments directly within the platform. The gradebook feature syncs seamlessly with other grading systems, simplifying reporting and record keeping. Mobile accessibility is another strong point. The dedicated app ensures that students and educators can access materials, complete assignments, and participate in discussions from anywhere. Schoology's robust integration capabilities allow it to work alongside tools like Google Drive, Microsoft Office, and third-party apps, making it a highly versatile choice. Schoology also excels in analytics and reporting. Administrators can generate detailed reports on student performance, course effectiveness, and overall usage trends. This data-driven approach helps educators identify areas for improvement and tailor their strategies accordingly. The platform is ideal for schools and districts looking for a centralized and scalable LMS. While it may not offer advanced corporate training features, it's a top-tier choice for educational environments prioritizing engagement and collaboration. If you're seeking a well-rounded LMS to empower your students and educators, Schoology could be the perfect fit. Check the links in the description to dive deeper and see if it's the right solution for your institution.